Raw materials for EPS foam cup are food-grade polystyrene and a small amount of release agent zinc stearate. Factory particle diameter is 0.1 mm to 0.3 mm. The ratio of polystyrene to zinc stearate is 10,000 to 5. Mixer consists of drive motor, rotating shaft, stirring rod, and control panel. Mixing shaft and barrel are made of stainless steel. Rotary shaft driven by motor and stirring rod driven by rotary shaft. The stirring time can be set. A toiloder consists of vacuum machine, suction tube, discharge tube, and control panel. Vacuum machine will pump marinated raw material into the pre-foaming machine via suction tube and discharge tube. Feeding time can be set. Pre-foaming machine consists of feeding device, crushing devices, steam supplying system, blowing pipe, drain pipe, and control box. In the bottom of foaming barrel, there are steam inlet, steam porous plate, and on the top, there are steam exhaust system and steam vents. The raw material in the side hopper will be fed into a foaming barrel by small screw with motor driven. Steam enters in the bottom of foaming barrel to heat the material. The steam pressure can be freely adjusted according to the foaming output. Main motor drives rotary shaft via warm gearbox. Rotating shaft drives stirring rod and scraper on its top to crush the adhesive foam particles block and blow it out of foaming barrel by compressing air, which is from the bottom of foaming barrel. Dryers consist of heating device, blower and dryer box. Inside air heating device, there is a spiral steam pipe. The normal temperature air is heated by heat radiation and conduction. Blower blows hot heated air into drying oven. The dryer oven is welded by steel plate. In the bottom of the oven, there is a sloping perforated intake plate. It is easy for collecting dry foam material. Foam material is fed from high and extracted from the bottom. Material feeding machine number 1 will send the dry material to storage bag number 1, which will be sent to storage bag number 2 after vibration sieve screening. The foam material will get dry homogenization after a few hours in storage bag, and then all can be supplied to foaming machine. Vibration sieve consists of drive motor, eccentric gear, supporting spring and 3 layers steel sieve. 3 layers of steel sieve is divided into coarse, medium and fine 3 kinds of mesh. A small quantity of material from the top and bottom will be elected not to use. Only the material in the middle will be selected to use. Blower will blow selected material into the storage bag through PVC pipeline. EPS foam cup forming machine consists of material feeding device, steam supplying device, water supplying device, electrical and pneumatic control device. Machine frame is welded by steel profile and steel plate. Template board is made of aluminum with 1 piece on the top and 1 piece on the bottom. Mold is made of stainless steel and bronze, and it has male mold and female mold. Raw material supplying device mainly refer to mounted feed gun on the female mold, which consists of gas cylinder, feeding mouth, and blowing pipe. When feeding, the cylinder moves and the material will enter from feeding mouth. Blowing pipe will blow the material into mold cavities. Steam will enter mold cavity from male mold and female mold with 2-way. So, the foaming machine has 2-way divided steam pipe and solenoid pneumatic control device for male mold and female mold steam supplying and exhausting. Cooling water will be the same path into the male and female mold. Steam and water general inlet pipes connected to 2 up and down multiple control valve. The steam and drainage sharing 1 way out. Male mold and female mold air cylinder control for mold close and open. Both are controlled by solenoid valve. Motor is controlled by inverter. Its belt connects with one reduction gearbox, which drives positioning axle rotation by sprocket and chain driven. Collection hoppers consist of steel plate, positioning rubber wheel and conveyor belt. Collection grill.